Praise the Lord. Greetings, dear friends. This is Pastor Muneeb, and I have a good news for you guys who watching this video. You know, we working with God will provide Pakistan, and God give us this blessing, this opportunity. We can start up Restoration Television. And who watching this video, I just want to tell you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Restoration Television, and you can see our Sunday services, Friday services, and you can see two my testimonies over there. And dear friends, I have humbly request to you, please subscribe my channel. May God bless you, everyone. Lots of love praying for you. May Lord bless you.